Morning, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and I want to show you people that says or think I just got little nukes. That's two more right there. They're not nukes, and they're not little, and they're doing real good. Okay, but we're going to take a look here right now. This is one that I put they didn't have too many bees, and I put this on it. I sold it on 5 sold to friend. I put eggs in there and everything from 231 East Fence. So we're going to see what they're doing. See, it's got a hole in it. Don the Fat Bee Man used to call that the down the hatch. Hey, and it works too. You shake bees in there and they'll go down that hole. And the ones that's not nurse bees will go back to where they came from. Okay. Get me a safety box, put it over here. Okay. It's been loaded down with some honey and nectar. And we're going to put it over here. Pollen off. Check it for beetles. Nope, ain't got no beetles. Okay. Just a heavy. It's got honey, nectar, cap could be queen cell, but it's small. They're hanging around it pretty good. I may need to put another box on this one. This is honey, this is nectar, this is brood. This one, there's more like a queen cup. how to cut the ceil right there. Right there. So they're doing okay, but just trying to show you people that you can make splits easy, no problem. The bees need it and like it. This one is all capped honey, except down here. Okay, this we got queen cells. We're going to put them in another box. They got some stuff down the bottom I need to clean out and sterilize. And we'll talk with you later. Y'all have a great day, great week, and we'll see you later. Bye.